Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. Today's topic is part 4 of series of basics of probability. In this lecture we will discuss some of the basic questions involved in throwing a two dice together. These are the 36 outcomes which when two dice is thrown together result will be. How we will write this? Taking one as common from one dice and changing all the other values of second dice. Similarly, taking 2 from one dice and changing all the other values from the second dice. Similarly, these 36 results will be obtained when two dice are thrown together. As we discussed in the previous lecture, probability of any event is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So whenever two dice are thrown together, total number of outcomes will always be 36. So in the denominator 36 will be always value will be 36. So let's discuss some of the common events. First question is getting a doublet. Getting a doublet means both coins having same values. Let's see. 2 2 1 1 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. These six values in which both of the dice have the same value, so we will write favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. So these 6 are number of favorable outcomes. So probability of this event is number of favorable outcomes which are 6 divided by total number of outcomes which are 36. So 6 divided by 36 is 1 by 6. So probability of getting a doublet in throwing two dice together is 1 by 6. So next question is even or odd number on both dice. Even or odd number on both dice. So first of all we will see even numbers. So first is odd, so we'll skip this row. Second is even. So in this row, some of the events in which both are even, 2 2, 2 4 and 2 6, we will write down 2 2, 2 4, 2 6. In the third, 3 is odd, we will not consider third row. In the fourth, 4 is even, so we will write outcomes 4 2, 4 4, 4 6. 5 is odd, we will not consider this row. 6 is even, so 6 2, 6 4 and 6 6 are the favorable outcomes. So by writing probability of this event, number of favorable outcomes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and total number of outcomes are 36. So 9 divided by 36 is 1 by 4. So probability of event having even values on both dice when we throw two dice together will be 1 by 4. Similarly, for odd dice, for odd number of values, odd number on both dice. Similarly, we will skip 2, 4 and 6 series as there are even in 1. So we'll consider 1, 3rd and 5th. So number of favorable outcomes will be different, but the probability will be same. Another question is prime number on both dice. So as prime number, here are 2 3 and 5 in this series. So we will consider prime number in both the dices. 2 2, 2 3, 2 5, 3 2, 3 3, 3 5, 5 2, 5 3, 5 5. So finding probability of event is number of favorable outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Number of favorable outcomes are 9 and total number of outcomes are 36. So probability of this event getting prime number on both dices is 1 by 4. Another question is multiples of 2 on first and 3 on second. So for multiples of 2 on first, we will skip first row as this is multiple of 1. We will consider second, fourth and sixth rows as these are multiples of 2. So pointing out values in which multiple of 2 on first and 3 on second. In this case, 2 multiple is in first and 3 is on second. In this case, 2 is on first and 3 multiple of 2 is on first and 6 on 3 is 2 is on second, 3 is on second. So writing these values, writing these outcomes in which first is multiple of 2 and second is multiple of 3. So finding probability of this event. So probability of this event is number of favorable outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 and total number of outcomes are 36. So probability of an event in which multiple of 2 on first and 3 on the second is 1 by 6. वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए.